Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Mass Media Net JRF. I hope you all are well, doing something productive in your study. So today we discuss public relation. आप चाहें तो और भी मैंने वीडियोस मेरे चैनल्स पे बनाई हुई हैं, आप जाके उनको एक बार देख सकते हैं. आज हम पब्लिक रिलेशन से बात करेंगे. So the pioneer of public relation. Some people say Ivy Lee 1877 to 1934 as a father of public relation, while to some say Edward Burney 1891 to 1995, he is a father of public relations. See, they both are the father of public relation according to some point of view, right? Both have significant contribution in established modern public relation as a professional practice. See, interestingly, they also represent two different and opposite view of practicing. They both are father of public relation, and they both showing some opposite view or some different view on public relation. Ivy Lee said public is an art of creativity, okay, and Edward Burney said the PR is a scientific practice, okay. In 1978, the World Assembly of Public Relations agreed upon the definition of public relation. It held in Mexico. You can add in this. Okay, the World Assembly of Public Relations held in Mexico in 1978, which is known as a Mexican definition. See, because it's held in Mexico. It states public relation is an art and social science. It's art also, it's social science also, of analyzing trends. Analyzing trend means analyzing what happened around us, what public want to from us, right? What public wants. Predicting their consequences, counseling organizational leader as well as the planning of implementing program. Okay, आप जब अपने सराउंड में आपको कुछ जानना है तो आपको सबसे पहले उनको एनालाइज करना पड़ेगा कि उनकी ज़रूरतें कैसी हैं, उनको चाहिए क्या, उनको काउंसिल करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. फिर जाके अपना प्रोग्राम जो है इम्प्लीमेंट कर पाएंगे. Implementing a program of action that will serve the interest of not only the organization but also public. आपको ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को भी एनालाइज करना पड़ेगा, पब्लिक आपसे क्या चाहती है आपको वो भी एनालाइज करना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद ही आप अपने प्रोडक्ट को अच्छे से बना पाएंगे और उनकी जो गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज हैं उनको अच्छे से सेल कर पाएंगे. ब्रिटिश ऑथर फ्रैंक जेफकिंस. देखिए, पब्लिक रिलेशन में से बहुत छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस भी बनते हैं, तो एग्जामिनर है वो आपसे ये पूछ सकता है कि फ्रैंक जेफकिंस कौन थे, कौन से ऑथर थे, तो ब्रिटिश विल बी आंसर. So he in his book Public Relation, public relation define public relation consists of all formals and planned communication both inward and outward between the organization and its public for purpose of achieving objective concerning mutual understanding. See, without understanding you can't do anything. It's a basic rule, right? You have to understand your customer, you have to understand your employees, those who are doing work with you, okay. You have to understand your customer also, what they want. After that, you can launch, you can publish something, right? It's a basic rule in public relation, right? In 2011-12, Public Relations Society America, PRASA, PRSA, here full form is important, develop a crowdsourced definition. Public relation is a strategic communication. See, it's a strategic communication. आपको strategy बनाते हैं, उसके बाद ही आप अपनी चीज को पब्लिक तक पहुंचाते हैं. Process that build mutually beneficial relationship between organization and their public. अगर आपकी पब्लिक को ये नहीं पता कि आप क्या काम करते हैं, कैसे काम करते हैं, क्या चीजें उसमें यूज होती हैं, ओके, ये भी क्यूरियोसिटी का एक पार्ट है. अगर तो वो भी चीज़ इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपको बताना पड़ेगा कि आप किस तरह से, अगर आप फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप एक फूड फैक्ट्री चला रहे हैं और अगर आप अपने कस्टमर को बताएंगे ही नहीं कि आप कौन सा प्रोडक्ट उसमें यूज़ कर रहे हैं, आप देसी घी यूज़ कर रहे हैं, आप तेल यूज़ कर रहे हैं, रिफाइंड यूज़ कर रहे हैं, तो आपका ट्रस्ट कैसे बनेगा, उनका ट्रस्ट कैसे बनेगा आप पे. सेम अगर आप ये नहीं चाहते, आप अगर ये नहीं जानते कि किस तरह का टेस्ट उन्हें पसंद है, अब अपनी मर्जी का खाना उनको परोस रहे हैं, तो वो भी अच्छा नहीं. यू हैव टू डू समथिंग विच इज क्रिएटिव. एंड आपको ये भी जानना होगा कि आजकल ट्रेंड में क्या चल रहा है, लोग क्या खाना पसंद कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. एक एग्जाम्पल है पब्लिक रिलेशन का, आप इसको बेसिक कम्युनिकेशन से रिलेट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज रोल एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. पब्लिक रिलेशन का एक रोल और एक ऑब्जेक्टिव भी होता है, तो हम यहाँ पे वो देख लेते हैं. एस्टैब्लिशिंग एंड मेंटेनिंग अ प्रोजेक्टिंग ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कॉर्पोरेट कैरेक्टर एंड आइडेंटिटी, क्रिएटिंग सस्टेनिंग अवेयरनेस अबाउट द कंपनी, इट्स गोल, प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विस. आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. winning trust, confidence of various stockholders and getting their acceptance. Without doing this kind of thing, you can't do anything. Responding to criticism of the organization. अगर आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को कोई क्रिटिसाइज कर रहा है, आपके वर्क को कोई क्रिटिसाइज कर रहा है कि आपने ये किया, तो आपको उसके बारे में एक्सप्लेनेशन भी देनी पड़ेगी, राइट? यू हैव टू गिव एक्सप्लेनेशन. Establishing an effective channel of communication between public and the organization. Okay? आपको ट्रांसपेरेंसी रखनी पड़ेगी. यू हैव टू बी ट्रांसपेरेंट. गेटिंग cooperation from various stockholders for achieving business objective, right? Generating positive publicity in media, earning awards, certification, endorsement from various organization, individual or association, reinforcing the by maintaining positive relationship with the key audience and thereby aiding a build a strong image, right? See, without building good relationship, without doing something creative, without establish a communication thing, you can't successful in public relation, also in your organization also. Okay, you have to do it. See, मैंने यहाँ पे एक चीज ऐड नहीं की. If you want to add one thing also, you can add here after this maybe. Thomas Jefferson is a person who first time used PR phrase in 1807, 1807. Okay, 1807 में उन्होंने फर्स्ट टाइम PR फ्रेज यूज करी थी. कहाँ यूज करी थी? यूएस की कांग्रेस असेंबली थी, वहाँ पे उन्होंने यूएस में फर्स्ट टाइम ये फ्रेज यूज करी थी. एंड एक चीज आप यहाँ पे भी ऐड कर सकते हैं कि एडवर्ड बर्ने, राइट? एडवर्ड बर्ने wrote 3 books. Their name is Crystallizing Public Opinion in 1923, right? Propaganda in 1928, The Engineering of Constant in 1947, right? Here, after this is also important. See, this is also important, and yeah, this name is also important. See, in match the following, examiner may ask who is associated with which chapter of it unit. Means they can give you a Frank Jefferson name here and ask you is it Frank Jefferson associate with advertising also or PR? Okay, that kind of question they may ask. See, Scott M. Cutlip and Alan Center also associate in public relation. He defined PR as a planning kind of thing, right? Yeah. Then we will discuss system theory of approach. See, it's an important one, system theory of approach. See, system theory approach को हम 2 टाइप में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, क्लोज्ड वन एंड ओपन वन. इसको दिया किसने था सबसे पहले? इसको दिया था सबसे पहले बिहेवियर कर्ट्ज एंड कान ने इन 1966 में, राइट? क्या है सिस्टम थ्योरी? इट्स अ व्यू ऑफ organization as an open social system that must interact with their environment in order to survive, as known as system theory approach. See, if you can't interact with the environment, you can't do anything, right? It's a basic rule. So if you want to do, you have to be socialized, you have to be interactive. Okay, yeah. So view of organization is an open social system that must interact with the environment in order to survive. It's also called interdisciplinary practice with interactive components, yeah. So yeah, the first is the open system. Open system is also called, we also call open system is proactive one. In proactive means involves changing and influencing both the environment and organization. It's called proactive public, right? The open system approach was first applied by Kurtz and Kahns, who adopted journal system theory to organization behavior. Kurtz and Kahns This approach identifies organization behavior by mapping the repeated cycle input throughout output, the feedback between organization and external environment. See, आपको proactive way में काम करना पड़ेगा. You have to be interactive one. System receive input from the environment either as information or the form of resources. The system then process the input internally, which is called throughput, and release output into environment. Its attempt to restore equilibrium to the environment. The system then seeks to feedback to determine if the output was effective in restoring equilibrium. See, it's nothing. It's a whole summary you can read. But the basic idea of open system is boundaries are permeable here, right? You have to tackle your environment. You have to be great deal of exchanging information. मीन्स अपने व्यूअर को भी आपको ऐड करना है आपकी पब्लिक ओपिनियन. आपको कुछ काम करना है तो अपने व्यूअर को ऐड करना है, उसमें उनकी भी पब्लिक ओपिनियन लेना है, अपना पब्लिक ओपिनियन भी लेना है. ओके, ये अप्लाइड बाय किसकी ज़रूरत किया था? डैनियल कर्ट्स एंड रॉबर्ट कैन ने 1966 में. ये प्रोएक्टिव वे में काम करता है, मतलब टू वे सिस्टमैटिकल अप्रोच हेयर, राइट, मीन्स म्यूचुअली एक्सेप्टेड. As can be seen, the system approach focus on means used to maintaining organization survival, C, and emphasizing long-term goals, right? अगर आप किसी से, if you are mutually connected with someone, it called be long-term goals rather than the short-term goals. See, closed system है तो वो short-term होगा, अगर open system है तो वो long-term होगा. एक simple सा example आप यहाँ पे ले सकते हैं. If you are with someone, it can be your friends, it can be your parents. If you're open to them, then your relation will be long-term goals. Okay, because you are transparent to them, right? But if you're not talking to them, if you're not telling them anything about your life, what going around you, it's called closed system, means short-term goal, right? Yeah. So closed system are insensitive to environment deviation, whereas the open system is responsive to change. See, closed system is a reactive kind of thing, means, right, only exchange information but not taking public opinion kind of thing here, right? In open system we are proactive, we exchange our views with our public also, we are friendly with environment. Okay, I hope you will understand what is the system theory approach. It's a very important thing in public relation. So many questions they ask.